Now is your time. There's a storm. Which side of the fence are you going to be on? The haves or the have-nots? If you're not paying attention to what's really going on right now, you could get carried out to sea and never come back. Or you could be sitting here in your condo on the beach, enjoying life. The decision is yours. It's a mental mindset. What do you want to do? Do you want to sit there in your condo and watch the waves come in, sipping on margaritas? Or do you want to be carried out to sea? Because right now it's happening. We've got inflation. It's been going on for years. It's not going to stop, guys. Inflation, it's one of those things. If you go back to what property was worth 10 years ago, 15 years ago, 20 years ago, people always say, oh, I wish I would have bought then. Well, guess what? 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, same scenario. Things go up and down. But look at the stock market. People are investing and they're making money. So if this is happening all around you, what are you doing about this? What's your game plan? How are you going to get ahead? Now, if you've been watching the videos, you already know that I've given a lot of good ideas. But the point being is, I don't want you to get sucked out to sea and then have regret the rest of your life. So make the smart decisions on what it is that you want to do. Don't just sit there and say, oh, it happened to me, because it did. Every day we have these opportunities with our money that comes in, like the tide, or it goes out, like our bills and expenditures. Now, if we can control how much is coming in and how much is going out, which we can, all you need to do is figure out all your expenses, figure out all your budgeting, stop spending more than you make. Look, I grew up in a blue-collar, working-class neighborhood. I'm dyslexic. All this just doesn't happen where you get to own the oceanfront condos. It's a decision. It's a mental decision that are paid for by somebody else's rents on their vacations, that have cash in the bank, that have multiple streams of income from businesses. You can do this too. And again, I want to make sure that you get ahead, because this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, and it is happening. Give me a thumbs up if you think so. Comment below where you are. Tell me if you've made some good investments, or if you're looking to get your money together, because, again, this is it. If you're not thinking about what's actually happening, this storm at sea can suck you in. Or blue sky, sunny days. Choice is yours. Let me know what you're going to do.